How to remove saved login info on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to remove saved login info on Instagram. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch Instagram application on a device. Make sure to log into your account. Tap profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Select three line icon at top right corner of the screen. Now tap Account Center at top of the screen. Choose the option of Password and Security under Account Settings and choose Save Login. If the button is toggled on for Save Login, then you won't need to enter it when you log in again about your login credentials during signing to your account. In order to remove saved login information on Instagram, make sure to toggle it off. Tap Remove and you will successfully remove saved login info on Instagram. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.